Wangkai hizam lekai de leba panthogi sanglenda lekai miyamga ningai sangdainarapodagi sang amadi gari kaya amang ata thokle amadi Manipuri Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy lising intarago humdoi thasigi manung da san halagani haina Minister Govindas Konthaujamna phongdorakte Kurumjari meyeng tabiri bapunamapu taramna oksari haujik maru eba pau sandongna pizari Wangkai hizam lekai de leba panthogi sanglenda lekai miyamga ningai sangdainarapodagi sang amadi gari kaya amangata thokle miyoi ahumsu sokre hairi thaudo thokphamdagi phangba paugi matung ina thaudok asi ngasi ayupung 8 rom taba matamda thokkibani mamangda yanakibagi matung ina panthau masaigonda leiriba nupa amadi nupi masa angang nipugu humdoirom ngasi mama mapa na mafam adudagi lokthokpa matamda Lekai miyoi kharana media gi mamangda angang sing adu sinabaga loinana angang gi mot media da phongdok hanbada panthau thajana ningjariba kangbuga lekai miyamga ningai sangdainarapodagi khutthona ba aduda miyamna panthau gi masaigonda leiba hall amadi saksang mai thabaga loinana mafam aduda leiramba gari kuntharom amangata thokhi amangata tholaba gari sing adugi manungda gari taragu humdorom mai sakpada yauki Khoi saunarba miyamna hall amasung saksang mai thabata natana mafam aduda leiba laisang amadi atay sang kayadasu amang ata thokhanki mafam aduda Manipur Fire Service ki fire tender sing matam chana sangsin laktuna kalhobadagi asauba maihau langpok tholamba yabadagi kalhoba ngamhauki thaudok aduda nungna panbadagi panthobu thajaba miyoi ahum amadi police personnel ahum asuk apanangki Miyamgi irang adu control tauna bakona bada police na tear gas amadi nomai round kaya kapki Amaromja oirekliba phibam masigi yenglaga district magistrate na Section Torang Lokot po oina Wangkai hizam lerak amadi watham lerak yauna masigi akoibada mi punba amadi chathok sa sin tawbada athingba thamkhre hairi Sahi kayadagi sanaba ngamdana lakiba Manipur Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy lising intarago humdoi saliba tha asida sanaba yana leire hiramasigi matangda ISTV news ka Commerce and Industry Minister Govindas Konthaujamga akhanana unaba amada State Cabinet na lising intarago humdoida approve tokraba policy asi saliba tha asida in toto oina sanaba haunanaba notification thoklaba yana leire haina khangalaki
hairiba approve ta wigriba Manipur Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy se in toto oina ngasi akoi chana han bangam driba si karigino har kanda area khara khakta na yamadi chanare karam area akoi gi finance ki area khara finance touch tawba excise duty exam tawba haire excise duty exam tawba haire masi finance department na notification ma thokadawba ada ina asa tawjabadadi handaki me tha sidadi notification si thoani masi sanadaba sina sumaram oiraga akhogi entrepreneur sing industries tawjage haiba akhogi miyoi sing se masi da khara hena apan wa khara pibo irangone na akhoi government sina khanjare hairaga handaki chatli ba tha sidagi thi sengna in to oina khoi chatna hanana ba yam kan hona gani leidi leijare Manipur Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy se fully masi akhoi chatna ba yam kan hona jare handak thare chana
Lai haraubugi maramda khana nei naba leptana sachari haina umang lai kanma apun maluk ukalna thadorpo cherol amana khangalakle laibungda jagoi puthokpa matamda lai haraubada saba yaba amadi mari leinaba jagoi khaktamak puthoknaba khangalakle ukalna umang lai haraubabu masagi asengba liklamda hanjinnaba honabagi leptana sangsil lakliba khongchat asibu phurup asigi miyamna angamba thakta mateng pangbiyu hairi paugi maraktana break amatang logunasi
Jolib 100% natural syrup amasung capsule yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi kuchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungaraktaba singbu phanba ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi jolib syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta jolib capsule chabiu
Delta tutorials for CBSE admission open class 9 10 and 12 science from April 4 class 12 hours from May 4 class 11 science from June 6 vacations course for Navodaya and others from May 4 for detail please visit Delta tutorial between 6 am to 7 pm
Adung karigumba awabasing asi mayungnaba thoklaba maroi marang yamna yawba chunjak chaba mapalda toina chaba liver da akaiba laklaba natraga liver gi mapangan chontharakpa tarabasu karishu waningai leitre Lifsaf syrup sizinnabiu adungi awaba punamak koknabigi pambaini diabetic na naraba anabasing nasu sizinnaba yaraba Lifsaf capsule shu phangbigani Lifsaf syrup amadi Lifsaf capsule naraga laying babudi narjingai da saksal hobana hena fai
Delightful cupcakes with creamy vanilla filling from Winkies, the cake specialist. A magic mix of chocolate and vanilla marble cakes from Winkies, the cake specialist.
Imphal East West amasung Bishnupur district ki oina Manipur government ki regular employees singda service loan lobi kudong chaba pizari athuba matamda amadi araiba mong da lobi bayagani enna akupa marol gidama contact W Imphal Finance Cooperative Thrift and Credit Society Limited Head Office Loklaubung Branch Offices Pauna International Market and Bishnupur Bazaar Bishnupur
Makataba pau pizari Khanaba khamduklui haiba wahogdagi lamdeng amasung kamengi minyoi kayana Mana Inkolgi Club amasung lanai yum ani thugairamle lupa lakh ahumromgi posai manghan khre haina Mana Inkol Youth Development Association gi General Secretary Laurembam Jibanna phongdorokle mana makha taraduna ngarang numidang pung 8 rom taba matamda inguruk khoramba lakpani haba miyoi taruk rom Mana Inkol dagi loitang taba lamkhaida khana chainaba thokhi Mana Inkol gi miyoi kharana khamlubada lamdeng dagi samananda koba miyoi ama sokhi Thaudok adugi tungda numidang pung nipa rom tarakpa matamda miyoi sanirom laklaga club ki pochai kaya thugairam khi koizam pahari koba miyoi amagi dukan dagi sel amadi pochai kaya pukre yumgi thong thongnau thugairaga computer na singba problem kaya su amang ata thoalam le haina phongdokhi
amang ata thoalam ji akoi hungang si yamna pende nungai te akoi club ki side tagi yamna pendaba nungai taba waroba akoi ki thamuida yamna ningam deba malai maram aduna asi machi ga mari leinaba police department na athu matamda hairiba mi singsi habiraga action local piu
Firal Segaiba Singh Serak Pigedabani Haina Maiso Ning Sing Loop Kuraina Thadolokpa Cherol Amana Kangalakli April Tang Taraga Tarukta Cherau Singh the Yungba Yek Talet Ki Firal Kaktatlaga Hundok Lamba Amadi Mayang Imphal the April Tang Tareta Tokiba Laibaktiba Tokdokta Miyoi Ani Laikidabagi General Strike Sataringaida Lininga Mari Lenana Sora Chatpa Miyoi Singda Ka Henma Thong Satakiba Adu Sarkana Tigatuna Serak Pigedabani Hairi Housing Marak Tana Atin Break Amatang Lominasi
Combined tutorials for CBSE admission open second batch class 12 5 months foundation course second batch class 9 and 10 6 months foundation course class start 5th May second batch class 11 5 months foundation course class starting from 16th June class 9 10 and 12 2 months vacation course for Navodaya Sainik and outsiders class starting from 2nd May please contact Combined Tutorials Office Sagolban Murang Neruk Machin Bus Parking Imphal
Wanted some electronics mechanics for repairing ISTV set-top boxes at different places. Bishnupur, Thobal, Kangpokpi, Imphal West, Imphal East. Willing electronics or mechanics may contact Secretary ISTV Network.
Unique Education admission open 3 months SA1 foundation course for CBSE class 9 and 10 5 months foundation course for CBSE class 11 and 12 science vacation course for Navodaya Sainik and outsiders CBSE school students 3 months advanced course for CBSE class 11 science girls hostel at the same block
Talent Search Cum Academic Competition, the second state-level general ability test, organized by the cluster of gentlemen from class 8 to 10. First prize rupees 5,000, second prize rupees 3,000, third prize rupees 2,000, 4 to 10 position holders rupees 1,000 each. Forms available at the given stationer. Objective and multiple choice type question. Application fee rupees 100 per applicant. Last date of form submission on 18th May 2016. Competition on 22nd May 2016 from
Maruwa Pau Amukana, Wankai Hism Leka Jaleva Pantogi Sanglenda, Leka Miam Ganingai Sangdiner Padigi, Sang Amadigari Kaya Amangata Tokle. Amadi, Manipur Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy Singing Tarago Humdoi, Tasigi Manung the San Halagani Haina, Minister Govindas Kontozamna Fontorakle. Being Tabri Punamapu, Amukahana Kurumzari.